Okay, so to find Danny's maximum height above the Great Wall, let's look at his movement. So he moved like this. And so the maximum height is going to be at this peak point here, and that's going to be the vertex. And to find the vertex, we first need to find the x-intercepts, which we already did in part B, and we found it to be 0 and 23. And the vertex we know is the midpoint between the x-intercepts, so let's find that. We'll add them together, divide by 2, and we'll get 23 over 2. And then let's find the height at which this occurs. So we'll plug it into our formula. 23 over 2 squared plus 1.15 times 23 over 2, and we'll get 12.62 meters. So therefore, Danny's maximum height will be 12.62 meters.